This is the most underrated AI video generator because the number of features that this AI tool offers you is insanely good. And this is not just limited to the image to video or text to video, it also offers you the style transfer, character consistency, AI transitions, AI video effects, you just name it, and this AI tool has each and everything. So what this AI tool is, let's find out. Alright, so I'm talking about Pixverse Ai. Well, I have already covered a video on this tool, but right now they have added a lot of different options. Now starting with the text to video with a very simple prompt, an Instagram influencer. But in the prompt bar you can see a lot of different options, so don't get confused. I'm gonna explain all of these features later in the video, but first of all, let's test the text to video. So now hit create, and by the way, this is on a turbo mode. That means the results will be faster, but if you want the high quality videos, make sure to switch to the 720 or 1080p, which is a great thing. Alright, so this is the output video and look at the results, man. I generated this video in the 720 and look at the quality. Obviously the motions are very subtle, and the surprising thing is that the AI didn't mess up with the phone. Next up we have a cinematic shot of a sniper aiming with the gun, and look at the results. Next I tried something difficult and the AI handled it very well. The prompt was a woman standing in front of a mirror shot from a back, and look at the results. Look at the reflection, look at the movement. The reflection in the mirror is aligning with the movement of this lady. And then I generated one more video with the same prompt, and look at this one. This one is also very impressive. And I don't think so most of the AI video generator can handle this kind of prompt. Next up we have our famous a woman wearing a red dress and black leather jacket walking on a street at night. And I have no complaints with this one. Look at the motion, lighting, consistency, and the walk of this lady looks very natural. Yes, we have some kind of a stylization to the skin in this particular AI video generator, but I think it doesn't look really bad. Well, you can also add sound effects to your video. For example, I have this sniper video, so on the right side you can see we have different options. We have the upscaling, you can extend your video, we have the option to restyle our video, speech option, but we have the sound option. So if you click on that and again hit create, and here is the output. So if you're working on any AI film, you have the option to generate the videos with the sound effects. Well, you don't need to do it manually for each video. You can simply type your prompt and then make sure to turn on the auto sound mode, and there we have it. Now moving on to the image to video, I have this image and the prompt is a woman pulls out a gun and aims with a serious face. And this is the output. The woman is aiming with a gun, she pulls out a gun, and then with a serious face she is firing at someone. So the prompt coherence is obviously on the point. And here's one more image to video output. So this was the initial image. This woman is looking very aggressive, but then I prompted a woman smiles in happiness, and look at the way how the AI changed the expression from the anger to happiness. And again, the style consistency is amazing. Well, if you want the higher length from this AI, we also have the 8 seconds option, and obviously we have the sound effects option. Then if you want the character to speak anything, we have the auto speech option, so you can just type anything that you want from your character to speak. But then you can also specify any specific style. We have the anime, 3D, comic, cyberpunk style. So the initial image will be converted into the anime style, and the results and the output video will be in the anime style or any other style. Next we also have the camera options, so you can adjust the camera angles accordingly. Then we have the magic brush, then we have the motion options. So we have the standard option, we also have the smooth option. So if you want more smoothness in your shots, you can go with the smooth option, and let's hit generate. So these are the results with this smooth motion, and now you can see the movement is very subtle, and we don't have any morphing and all that. The walking style looks very natural. Well, we also have the consistent character feature, and this is something really good. So for example, I have this image of a character, and now just name it like Anna and hit create. And now we can make consistent character videos with just a single image. So let's select our character and let's give it any prompt like a woman sitting on a bench in a public place. And there we have it. And look at that, this is 100% matching with our initial character. So this is the initial character image and this is the output video. And here we have one more output with the same prompt, and look at that. Yes, we have some kind of stylization in the video, but this is the signature style of this AI tool, and I'm totally fine with this one. Well, we also have the transition option in this one. So if you go ahead to the transition, we have the option to upload the first frame and the last frame. So for example, I have this image, so this is going to be my first frame, this will be the last frame, and without typing any prompt, I'm gonna simply hit create. Alright, so this is the output video and this is super impressive. Just look at the transition. It looks like a single video, not two different videos. Obviously the character was same, but how the AI handled this transition, we don't have any flicker, we don't have any splitting effect in this one. This looks like a single video and this is amazing. So we have a lot of possibilities with this one. This is just an example. Well, we also have the video to video option. So if you go ahead to the restyle option, we have the option to upload the video, or you can select it from your assets. So for example, I'm gonna select this particular video, and now if I go to the style section, you can see we have different kind of style. We have the Barbie, Simpson, and different kind of styles. So let's go with the cyberpunk and hit generate. And this is the output video, and look at the results, man. This is insanely good. And now we have the same video in the cyberpunk style, but the main thing is that our character is consistent. We don't have any morphing, and it handled this style very well. Well, you can also create your own custom style. Just define it what you want, like a cartoon girl, and there we have it. Now you can see the same video but in your custom style, and to be honest, I prefer this one rather than the previous output. Well, it also offers you very cool video effects. So if I just go ahead to the effects section, you can see this is the list of effects that you can try, and these are all of the popular effects that you must have seen on the Instagram. And this is a list of style. We have the Venom, and you have probably seen this effect where you can turn anyone into the muscular guy. So there is a list of style that you can try. You can swap the gender. This one is also very cool, and you can turn yourself into a Wonder Woman, you can turn yourself into Hulk. So let's try a few of them. So for example, I'm gonna use this one, and there we have it. And now this old man has the Ronnie Coleman genetics. Now let's try something else like this Hulk character. So just hit create and look at this one. And there we have our old black Hulk. And here we have our Jack Sparrow as Wukong. I don't know why Johnny Depp steals all of the famous roles, but this is impressive. So we have a lot of different effects that you can try, and the list goes on. So this was a quick go through of the Pixverse AI. I hope I have covered each and every single thing, and now you know how this AI tool works. And if we talk about the pricing options, in the free plan you will get 90 free credits on the first sign up, and on the daily basis you will get 60 free credits. So you can also generate free videos on a daily basis. But if we move further to their premium plans, it starts from the $10, but you can also start with as low as $5, and this is a really good thing. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.